Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, your ultimate guide to learning English in the easiest and most effective way. In this detailed video, we are going to take you step by step through a full English learning lesson, designed especially for beginners who want to build a strong foundation in speaking, listening, reading and writing. This lesson will help you develop your English skills with simple grammar, useful vocabulary, and everyday conversation practice. How to improve your English? If you truly want to improve your English, you must make a strong decision to give your time and energy to learning it in a smart and consistent way. Because learning English is not only about reading books or memorizing grammar rules, but it is about building your confidence, your habits, and your understanding every single day. So, the first step is to surround yourself with English as much as possible. And that means you should try to listen to English every day through songs, audiobooks, podcasts, or YouTube videos. And you should not worry if you do not understand everything at first, because your brain needs time to adjust to the sounds and patterns of the English language. And over time, you will notice that you start to understand more and more without even trying. And the second important thing is to read regularly, because reading helps you grow your vocabulary and shows you how sentences are formed naturally. And even if you are not ready to read big novels, you can start with short articles, simple stories, or English news websites for learners. And every time you read something new, try to notice the words that appear again and again, because those are the most useful and you can learn them by heart. And one of the most effective ways to make these words stay in your memory is to write them down in a notebook or on flashcards and review them daily. And once you get comfortable with reading and listening, the next step is to start speaking, even if it is just talking to yourself in the mirror, because speaking is a skill that grows only when you practice using your own voice. So don't wait until you feel perfect or fluent to begin, because the truth is, you become fluent by speaking regularly. And you can also join online English speaking groups or language exchange apps to find partners who also want to learn and practice together. And if you make mistakes while speaking, don't feel shy or scared, because every mistake is actually a learning opportunity and it helps you to become better with time. And the same is true for writing, because when you write in English, whether it is a diary, a small story, or even social media posts, you are training your brain to think in English. And that's a powerful way to increase your fluency. And when you write, always try to keep your sentences simple and clear, because simple English is strong English. And another powerful way to improve your English is to build small daily habits, like learning 5 new words every day or writing 10 lines about your day in English. And these small actions, when repeated daily, bring big results in a few weeks or months. And if you want to speed up your progress, you can also use English learning apps that are designed to help with vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and communication skills. And remember that learning English is not about studying harder, it is about studying smarter. And smarter means setting small goals, being consistent, practicing all 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And most importantly, staying positive and patient with yourself, because improvement takes time and you should never compare yourself with others, as every learner has a different journey. And the most important thing is that you are taking action every day. And even when you feel tired or unmotivated, just remind yourself why you started, because English can open many doors in your life, from better education to better jobs, from global travel to international friendships. And the more you practice, the more you will feel that English is not just a subject. It becomes part of your thinking, your personality, and your daily life. So always believe in your ability to improve, keep learning, and never give up. Because step by step, with passion and practice, your English will improve beautifully, and you will be proud of how far you have come on this amazing language journey. Thank you for watching this lesson on how to improve your English. We shared simple and powerful tips to help you grow step by step in one paragraph. Practice daily, stay confident, and never stop learning. Subscribe to the English Line for more lessons like this video, and tell us in the comments, what would you like to learn next? See you in the next lesson.